Tonight for dinner, we are kind of combining a few cuisines, and we are making chimichurri steak tacos. And we're keeping it super easy because we're using the smoked chimichurri from our friends at Full Olive. This is so delicious. Normally, you can add this to cooked steak, but I think I'm going to marinate it and then let it sit while we prep everything else. This chimichurri is really unique. It's smoky, it's herbaceous, it's bright and vinegary, and I think it'll be really nice on the steak. So I have some flank steak here. I'm going to add a few tablespoons of this, let it hang out, and then we will add it to a cast iron and get it nice and seared. Just put a few hefty teaspoons of the chimichurri on top of our flank steak, and I'm just going to massage it in and let it hang out. And there is some vinegar in here, so I think some of that acid is going to help break down and tenderize the flank steak a little bit. So I'm going to let it hang out, and then we'll put it in a cast iron, screaming hot, and I'll show you what it looks like after. There we go. All right, hot skillet. Smells amazing. Oh yeah. Steak has been resting. It's done. It's hanging out. Look at how perfect that is. Oh my gosh, my mouth is watering. I can taste the chimichurri. It tastes so good on the steak. I only added a little salt and pepper in addition to this. That's all it needs. We're going to slice it up, add it to some salad, and I'll show you what it looks like. Dinner is served. This is our chimichurri steak taco salad. Kind of a mouthful and a blend of cultures, but look at all these beautiful colors. The steak is cooked perfectly. We have some chopped tomato. This is Joe's spicy corn with jalapenos. It's one of my favorite things. Guacamole. And then I took all those beautiful pan drippings after we made the steak and added some bell peppers and just sauteed that in there. And it's so good. This is the smoked chimichurri. It tastes amazing. It smells insane. I am so excited for dinner.